Hi, I'm Cindy. I'm with Concept Art. I'm here today to show you our new storage and how I adapted it to my desk. So let's start by showing you all this beautiful storage now and how much more space I have on my desk because of using this beautiful, elegant, modern storage. So let me go through a little bit on each section. So here, I needed a place for my embossing powders. And so I have everything here for my embossing. I can actually see it and see what colors I have. I went ahead and put in all of my ink refills, and you can see they fit 20, and I probably put in just a few more. I think up to about maybe 22 if I get it nice and tight. And then over here in another open storage, I have my other ink pads because these ink pads do not fit here. So what I went ahead and did is I added my Memento, my StazOn, and my Versamark here in an open storage, and added some dimensionals because you know you have to have the dimensionals on hand, as well as some adhesives. Another thing I did, which I really liked, was adding my clear blocks right here on top into one of the storage toppers. I love that I have multiple of them, but I also have they're right here and I can see them. Another thing that I did that I really like is I added the watercolor pencils. These are both of the assortments. They're the first pack and the second pack. And I added them to the blend storage. So you can see where they have all the colors that I need, and I use them for my everyday techniques. Also, if you're wondering where to put that black marker that you didn't have a space for, because we don't have an ink pad in the black, you can put it right on top here. I also added some of my journaling pens, as well as my blender pens, and of course the Wink Estella. Great way to store your additional pieces so that they're sideways as well as with your blends. So these are all currently what I have in blends, but if you can see, I have some extra space because we'll be coming out with more blends. Another thing that I wanted to share with you is this great idea for demonstrators. So I have many demonstrator friends that do card buffet and classes, and I thought this was a really cute idea to have sitting on a table for when you have your company, your guests, your stampers come. So I just have a project on the top, and then easily I can pull my blocks with the stamps on them. I can put a punch, I can add some ribbon, as well as maybe just take one of these pieces and I can put some scraps in them for to make the card. And I can just go directly to my ink pads, pull out what ink pads I'm going to use for that project, and stick them in there. So everything is right here. You'll have it really cute and displayed on your tables for your customers to see. Also, it's a great selling advantage for the storage to your customers. If they really like the way that it looks, you can explain to them that they can get it too, and then maybe even show them your entire collection of how you have it set up in your craft room. And I think that's it. That's all I have for you today. Thanks, guys. Bye.